welcome back to another video. I don't know about you, but lately I have been just in my head. I have been in this weird energy these last few days, and I know that when this comes up, it's a sign that I need to be spending more time in nature, more time outside, more time with myself, just simply enjoying and doing the things that bring me joy, that bring me happiness, just back to the basics, back to living more analog and maybe ditching my phone, ditching social media and taking a break from work and just like the responsibilities of every day. And so today I wanted that to be the intention. I wanted to spend an analog day, a Springs day outdoors, spending time outside, spending time in the sun, in nature. So we're gonna do a couple things together in today's video. We are gonna put together an analog bag first and foremost, and kind of the go with this theme of like going back to basics and taking a break. I also wanted to take a break from overconsumption. And with that, I wanted to create this analog bag with the things that I already have. And I think what makes this extra special is this feels like something I would do as a child, right? Because when you were a kid, you didn't always have the ability to get everything you wanted anytime you wanted. And you kind of had to get creative with the things that you already had, right? You would spend more time outdoors and just start making up games, right? Like playing in the grass with rocks, whatever it is. And so I'm trying to go back to that feeling and just kind of get excited with recreating things from what I already have instead of getting the next best thing and the next best bag and the next best coloring book and all of those things, right? Like, again, analog to me really feels like minimalism, going back to basics, creativity, simplicity. All of these words really describe to me like the feeling that I'm trying to go after right now. And so that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna just see what I have laying around and put together a analog bag, which we will then take with us outside. We will be sitting in the grass, in the sun, in the backyard, and enjoying our hobbies, our analog hobbies together. So yeah, I am going to set myself up outside to enjoy the weather. The weather's been really nice here in the Netherlands, incredible, feels like summer. And yeah, I'm really excited to just get out there and feel like a kid again, feel like having a wholesome time outside and creating more joy in the mundane, in the things that we just don't do anymore. And later in the day, we will also be taking a nature walk. Daniel and I are just going to go on a little hike somewhere nearby. We're going to take our bikes, cycle there, and then find a nice little trail to walk. So it's going to be a really nice day spent outdoors, connecting to nature, connecting back to our inner childs, and having a cozy spring day, an analog day together. So I'm really excited. All right, so first I need a bag, and I remembered that I actually did get a bag as a gift for Sinterklaas, which is a holiday, like basically like Christmas, but mainly centered around gifts here in the Netherlands. And I think it would be perfect for the analog bag. So it's literally just this, I don't know what kind of animal. Oh, it's a cat, I guess. It's like a cat bag, tote bag. It's very soft. So we will use this. I'm thinking of, instead of putting like a whole coloring book, just taking a page like this, for example, and putting it in the bag. And of course, I will need some coloring pencils and markers. So I actually have a pencil. So I actually have a pencil case, so I think this one will be perfect. I'll grab a couple of markers and some pens and maybe some coloring pencils, just some like colors that I feel like using in the time of year. So springtime, probably pastel colors, and that will be one hobby, I guess. Definitely a Sudoku book. I have this really cute book sleeve that I actually haven't been using because I've been using my Kindle to read right now. And I do have a book that I've been wanting to start. haven't been able to start, so maybe it's something I can just keep in my analog bag when I'm outdoors and I do want to read something different. This is the book, One Dark Window. I've heard so many good things about it. I know that it's probably better to read during spooky season, but I mean, I love spooky season at all times of the year anyway, so I think I will enjoy it regardless. So I think I will put it in my book sleeve. I will also need a bookmark. I actually have a couple cute ones that I picked up last week from Sustrine. Sustrine? I don't know if I'm pronouncing it properly, but look how cute these are. They're very spring. They have really nice colors. This one's the blue one. And I love this one. I think it's my favorite. I think I will use this one. So I'll just put it in the sleeve. I would also love just like a simple sketchbook with some sketch pencils so I can doodle and also use my stickers. So I have these stickers. This is a sticker book, and these are some really cute food stickers that I can also put on the pages. Thought it would be nice to have some washi tape as well. I don't know what exactly how it'll all work out, but you know, we're just trying to be creative right now. So these I can actually put either in my pencil case or the book sleeve. Probably in the pencil case would make more sense. I have this really cute sketchbook that I've hardly used. I got it in Bali and I thought I was gonna sketch something every single day, but I ended up using it for maybe like 3 days and then I don't know what happened. So we will put that in there along with the pencils and eraser and everything. I will grab a couple of pencil, crayons, maybe one of each of these pastel colors. I also have this really cute watercolor paint book. So it already comes with the watercolors and the drawing that you can watercolor in. So I think it's gonna be perfect for the analog bag. I think I will just add a watercolor paintbrush that I have here, just like one of these, that you just fill up with water, and that's it. Last but not least, I think I will just leave my Polaroid camera in the bag as well, just because it actually reminds me to use it. Otherwise it's just sitting on my shelf in my office. So I think if I put it in there, it'll give me a prompt to use it maybe every time I am sitting outside or whatnot. Also, look at how cute this is. I made this at a store in the mall in Utrecht. I don't remember the name of the store. It was like a K-pop store, Korean store, I'm not sure. But they had a create your own keychain, which is so cute. So you get to select each of these and just stick them on. And how cute! I think I'm gonna add this and just like attach it to the pencil case so I can leave it in the analog bag. And I don't know if I'm just chilling and I feel like this is perfect. And here we go. We had a good little lunch break. I was a little bit sleepy while doing the Sudoku. I actually think I closed my eyes for like a couple of minutes, and then my camera was dying, the battery, so it's a good little break to charge my camera and eat. And Daniel actually brought some flowers, which was really sweet and kind of like perfect for today. I think now I'm gonna continue my Sudoku. I do want to try the watercolor workbook and do like a page because I've never actually done it before. And yeah, I think we'll see what we'll do after that. shocked right now. Like, it's just funny how it works, honestly. Like, I'm here having a spring vlog, having that intention, and all of a sudden I'm receiving 2 bouquets of flowers in one day without even thinking about it, without really even saying that I wanted it. But it's perfect, and I feel so just like grateful and abundant, and yeah, this is so sweet. Like, I don't even know what to say. This is what's falling on us. Bye. It is the end of the day. It's actually pretty late. I watched some off campus. It is, I'm sure you've heard of, a very popular show on Prime Video right now. And I have 1 episode left. I'm gonna watch that maybe this weekend. But now I'm just gonna head off to bed. I hope you enjoy today's vlog, spending the day together. It was a very outdoorsy day. I feel like I definitely met my intention, and it feels really nice. And I definitely feel fulfilled. Anyways, thank you so much for tuning in, and I will see you in the next video.